Hi friends, hope you're all fabulous, awesome and great as always. It gives me immense pleasure as I interact with you all with this stunningly superb story that I came across recently. Most of you out there would have already listened to this story, but let me explain it in my own perspective. So there is this farmer who was known to be the best. He was the expert in raising quality wheat. The quality of the wheat that he raised in his field was indomitable. And because of this, he also received a lot of cash prizes, recognitions and awards at the nationwide country agriculture contest. Upon being interviewed on how he raised such quality wheat crops in his field, the farmer says he would pick the best wheat seeds and give it to his neighbors, so that all the neighbors who own the farms and fields around his field used to plant the best seeds. Being perplexed, flummoxed, bewildered, simply confused, the interviewer questions back. How come when you give all the quality seeds to your neighbors who also compete with you in the agriculture contest, is that you always win the contest? The farmer's reply was that when I give the quality seeds to my neighbors, they sow it in their field. Their crops just get to germinate, but before that, winds play a part and they bring all the seeds and collect it in my field. This is because of the pollination that takes place from their field into my field, thanks to the mechanism of seed dispersal that takes place through wind. And as a result of cross-pollination, I get quality crops. Now imagine when I have given inferior seeds to my neighbors, they would have raised inferior wheat. And that inferior wheat, upon being dispersed through wind, gets cross-pollinated, and the effective result being ineffective, inferior wheat crops in my field. This was the simple reply that the farmer gave. Friends, this story can be analyzed and interpreted in various formats. But the perspective from which I would like to look at this story is that taking care of your neighbors, not just for monetary benefits or societal benefits, is in no way going to help you, friends. When you understand that taking care of people around you is going to raise the entire society, and through that your lifestyle is also going to win, is when you understand the real purpose of life. Always try to lead a purposeful life. Always try to lead a happy and meaningful life. Light the lamp in others' life. Be a lamplighter. And with this message, this is Ramesh Krishnan, the CEO of Be Positive Motivational Forum, signing off. The online courses of Be Positive Motivational Forum are going greatly. A lot of kids, adults, professionals and students are taking immense pleasure and benefits out of these courses. If you would like to enroll for any of our online courses, just ping me in the contact details given below, or you can also register us by pinging in any of our social media platform. Thank you so much, friends. It was a pleasure talking to you. Let me meet you all once again in another such fabulous, interesting, inspiring, motivational content. Bye.